Hey everyone, guess where we are? Lifestyle Campers. So we're here today to finalise the colour choices and specs. You excited about that?
Colours are very important. I don't care about the specs really, apart from the colours.
Okay, let's go. Rock sliders, piece up in the door.
I think I know my favourite.
Okay, so what are these? So we've got, instead of two choices, we've got three choices.
Okay.
Is that what you're saying?
We kind of do have three choices. I really don't like that.
So you don't like that combination?
I don't like that combination. I think I prefer that combination.
But very dark.
Could be causing it to be dark.
Yeah, that's
so
very dark.
Removing out the dark, we've got the choice of this white cupboard.
Yep.
And then as you can see there, that'll be splashback, which is white, the tabletop, the bench top, and then the cupboard.
Yep.
Because then if we actually put that up there like that,
see, I like that.
that actually is not too bad either. Okay. Option 2, I feel, is the grey splashback.
Yep.
I don't know what to call that colour.
It's written underneath, but the whitewashy, like the beachy style wooden top.
And I reckon that as a cupboard colour, a cupboard door colour. I reckon that's not too bad.
So that's option 2?
Option 2. Now option 3, and there is
sticking with these two still.
Yeah.
So sticking with the bench top and the backsplash.
We feel the airbags.
And
then the blue.
As the colour, as the cupboards.
Yeah. So what I like about that is that, to me, that's a really cottage feel. I do like that cottage feel, so that is good. But then there's another choice.
Oh God.
If you want to follow me, and I'll actually introduce you to option 4. Come with me.
I thought we were going to have 2 options, now we've got to 4.
We've gotten to 4. Okay, and now I will show you option 4.
Great. Because there's not enough options.
No. And see, I really like that as well.
So that's basically the white backsplash.
Oh yeah, true. We've actually got to think about what colour the couches are going to be too.
Oh, crap.
More choices. So we've just left Lifestyle Campers. We went over there today so we can actually finalise our colour choice and a few other things with our camper. Which we
thought we had them narrowed down.
We thought we had them narrowed down. We thought we actually had them chosen, to tell you the truth. So there's possibly 4, maybe 5 options that we've actually gone through. I think I've narrowed it down to 3. 2, 3. 3. 5. Do you know what? We'll actually put them up and see what you guys think. But yeah, it was kind of a little bit tougher. We haven't made up our mind yet. Go home and think about it. Most likely stalk Lifestyle Campers next weekend as well, so we have a better idea of what.
Yeah, look, we've got, we had to fix up a couple of little things to do with some options that we've chosen. So we sorted those out, which is good. The colour choosing was a lot more difficult than I expected. I thought that we'd kind of narrowed it down to, I thought we'd chosen the colours, to be honest.
Yeah.
But ultimately, Lisa will make the final decision with colour.
Yes, I will.
But I've probably, realistically, there's 2 choices I like.
And it is something we're going to have to live with every day. It's
Correct.
not like this is just a weekend warrior van. This is something that we'll be in every day. So yeah, we are taking our time.
It'd be interesting to see what everyone thought of the colours that they've seen so far and what colour choices.
Yeah, can we do a poll? Can we do a poll?
We can do a poll. So what we can even do is pop in the comments below about what colour you think we should choose. We might even, once we publish this, we might even put some photos up on Instagram and Facebook. And I think you can do a poll on them as well.
Yeah, you can do a poll on those.
In the comments below, tell us what colour you think, what colour we should choose for the outside of the van. So we've got the colour of white, we've got the colour of silver, and we've got the colour option of charcoal. So they're the 3 colours for externals. And then you've already seen the colours for the internals, so let us know what your thoughts are and what you would choose. And then we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.